Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner.
Guys, today I'm going to show you something really amazing. You can build a complete, fully working website using AI, and it is 100% free. No coding, no credit card, no subscription, nothing required. The tool which I'm going to show you is Google AI Studio with Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the most powerful free AI model available right now in 2026. I personally tested this. I built a complete website and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. So guys, before we start building, let me quickly explain what is Google AI Studio. It is official free platform from Google where you can use Gemini models directly. No setup required, no installation required, nothing is to be downloaded, and you can build your website front end, back end, everything you can do. You don't have to write a single line of code. It can understand your instruction. You need to simply provide instructions, what website you want, how you want, what things you want. You can provide instruction. You don't need to write anything. It will write HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It will build everything for you, a complete working website, just from your description which you will provide. And the best part, guys, Google gives you free tier 250 requests per day, absolutely free, without any subscription, without any credit card. So guys, zero prerequisite for this method. Seriously, zero prerequisite. You don't need to know HTML, CSS or JavaScript. You don't need to install anything on computer. You just need your Google account and browser, and that's it, guys. Let's start with video. So you can open any of your browser and simply search Google AI Studio. I will give link in description box, and here you can see official website. You need to simply go on this website, Google AI Studio. So guys, you can see this is dashboard of Google AI Studio. Here we have so many options available. Left side and at the center and right side we have settings option. So now here at the center you can see it's showing different models and different agents available. So explore Google models, it is showing, so we can use it for coding and chatting, for image generation, video generation. So many option it has shown, as well as agents we have. We are not going to try all this. We are going to create a website, so we are going to simply click on this new app at the left side. So you can even go to my app to see your previous app. So I'm just simply clicking on this new app, and below you can see we have so many options available, like you can build an Android app also. So I'm not going to build Android app right now. I will be showing in my upcoming videos. Here I'm going to create website. So simply we need to give instruction. So before giving instruction, I would like to show you some settings. So at the top you can see we have this settings option. So I'm keeping everything default just to show you that these are the settings option we have. So it is using Gemini Flash model. This is the latest model of Gemini 3.5 Flash model we have. And then if you want to provide any instruction, you can provide over here also. And then frameworks, like for building website we need different frameworks. If you are if you don't know a framework, so just for building website we need frameworks. So just keep the default one, keep everything default. And now come back again here, build your ideas with Geminis. Here you can start mic, and you can give your ideas what you want, or you can create prompt from GPT or Claude. Whatever website you have thought of, just ask GPT and Claude to give prompt for it or instruction for it. It will give you proper prompt. So I'm just opening my GPT, and I have just thought of creating student management hub. So for that I'm just asking GPT to create prompt. So it has given me this prompt, and I have just taken this prompt and pasted to this Gemini. So here so many instruction we are having, like we will be having a dashboard, their student option, faculty option, department option, and then we can download student details, manage their attendance. Everything has been given over here. So simply what I need to do, just click on this build button. Okay, so now everything will be done by this Gemini. It will create your front end, back end. Front end is what UI part, which you can see, and back end is what which logic and your database is like. If you are entering some student detail, where it will be stored, so everything will be managed by this Gemini. So what you can see, it is taking, analyzing the things what is required, and then it will start doing. It will create different files, whatever files required for it, everything it will do for you. Okay, so after clicking on this build button, you have to simply wait for it. Okay, so guys, here it has started thinking and it's showing me some design patterns. So in Gemini, it shows you different design option also. So whatever you like, you can take it. Here it's showing me four options. So I'm going with the first option. I have checked the other option also. Some are light theme, dark theme. So based on your choice, you can take it. So I'm just taking first option and clicking on skip button. Okay, so now it is just confirming like what kind of design you want. So after this, again it will think, and again it will take time for creating your website. So now for creating your website, it required to generate different files. So it is doing that, and after few minutes, it will show you that website creation is done. Here you can see it's showing me that creation is done, and my preview has been shown. And what it is showing, what file it has created, what module it has created, everything it is showing. So here you can see it's showing descriptions like what are the modules has been created. So I have a student module, I have faculty module, then department module I'm having, attendance module I'm having, and then system configuration module I'm having. So all this thing has been done, and here you can see it's showing that your full stack student management SaaS hub is ready, right? And it is also showing that a dummy user has been created and its username and password has been provided, and in system configuration we can change it. Okay, so now let's use this username and so it has generated so many code also. So we are not going to touch anything, we are going to simply log in with the details provided. So here we have option of full screen also. So I'm just going to this full screen mode, and I'm entering the credential which it has provided. I'm trying to enter wrong credential just to check whether it is doing properly or not, and I'm clicking on this authenticate button. So here you can see it's showing me that it is a wrong credential. Okay, so now I'm going to enter a proper credential and clicking on authenticate button, and guys, just see what website it has created. So beautifully it has created with so many options. It's showing dashboard and everything. So here you can see it's showing me registration hub and overview. We have student workspace, and then we have faculty, we have attendance, and then we have so many options. So let's check it out each and option one by one. So I'm going to click on the student workspace, and here you can see the student which are there in this has been shown over here. We can add new student also, we can delete or we can edit their profile. So I'm taking one of the student and I'm just clicking on this edit profile button, and you can see now here I can edit the details which are already there. So I'm just editing one of the phone number, and here I'm clicking on this commit button, and you can see the phone number has been modified. And student, I'm trying to click on this delete button, but this delete button is not working. So later on we'll give prompt to it. And now let's click on add student. So before that, we can filter out student based on department, or we can see all the students. So here we have the student, even we can search also. So in text box, if you type any student name, it is going to show you the student. Okay, so now let's quickly add one student. So here I'm just clicking on add student button, and now let me just quickly provide all the details. So I'm just giving this details, and I'm just adding photos also. So for photos I need to just enter URL. So I'm just taking my photo only. So on Google I'm just going and searching my photo, and here I have provided URL, and I'm clicking on this create record button. So provide all the detail and click on create record, and guys, you can see new student has been created, right? Now I'm opening new student page, and I'm trying to click on delete button. So but this delete button is not working. So let's exit from this full screen mode and give instruction to Gemini that change my delete button is not working. So here I have just given instruction to it. It is working. Meanwhile, we will explore the remaining pages. So now here we have the next page we have as faculty page. So here we have faculty page. You can see we have faculty details. We can create faculties also. And then we have attendance page. So here all the students who are there, it is visible. You can filter it out based on the department also. And then you can mark present, absent, and late, whatever remark you can want to give, you can give over here. Everything is available, guys. Next option we have as marks and evaluation. So you can give marks to students also, based on semester midterm examination. So here you can give go to this marks and evaluation option. You can select student and you can give marks, right? And we have as a department allocation. So here already the department which are created is shown. If you want to create new one, you can create. So I'm simply creating a new department, and here I'm creating BCA department by providing certain details. So department is created. Now what I will do, I will just try to change one student department. So the student which I created, Sunita Rai, I'm just changing her department from CSC to BCA, and you can see, guys, it is working. And even in the department list also it is showing. So that means backend is also working properly, your database is also working properly, right? Next we have reporting parts, reporting and documents. So we can generate Excel file of the student, their details we can generate. So here I'm just clicking on this export option. So it is generating one Excel file. Here administrator setting, like admin profile configuration we can do. We can create any admin, we can provide security question to it, we can provide password also, and we have SAS system notification. At the end of the day, instructor will get all the absentee presentee notifications on their email. Okay. Also, guys, you can see here we have dark mode and light mode option at the top. So you can see we can toggle dark mode and light mode based on the option. I just want to change my login page, so I'm just going back to Gemini. Prompt of changing login button. So here I'm just going to Gemini again, and in chat I'm just typing that change the UI of login button, so it will work on it. And meanwhile we will explore the other. So guys, here one more thing I would like to show you. I'm just exiting the full screen mode, and here I'm trying to show you that you can edit details from here also. Rather than clicking on edit button, you can edit here also. So here I'm just taking this Bob Smith and I'm changing his image. So I'm just browsing one of the image, and you can see here it's showing that image is uploaded and it is working on it. And guys, you can see the image has been updated over here. Now Bob Smith image has been changed. Okay. So guys, my website is done now. Here we have option of remix, so you can click on it to get the details of your website. And then we have option of share also, so you can share by providing email ID over here. And guys, you can publish your website. So once you publish your website, you can give that URL to someone else and they can access your website. Right now the website is on your PC, but if you provide this URL, other can also access. So you can try this publish option. It is going to publish on Google Cloud. So just click on get started, and then what it will do, it will publish your website and it will give you URL. So you can see here it has generated one URL. Now here you can click on visit option, or you can just copy paste this option. So here you can just copy this link and paste to your browser address bar, or you can click on visit website option. So I'm just doing both, and here you can see my website is working. Even you can post your website on GitHub also. So here at the end we have GitHub option. You can connect your GitHub account and you can post this repository. So guys, this way you can create your fully functional website without knowing anything. So if you don't know coding also, then also you can generate. So very useful. So guys, before I finish, let me tell you something. Be very specific in your prompts. The more detail you give, the better the website will be. And another thing, ask Gemini to fix error directly. Don't go anywhere else for checking out the error. Just take the screenshot of error and give to Gemini and ask it to fix it. Okay. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope by following my video, you are able to build your own website using this Google AI Studio, and that too completely free and without having coding knowledge. So, guys, I have a challenge for you. I just want you to build your own portfolio website using this method and share the link in comment box. I will personally visit it and I will give comment to you. And if this video has really helped you, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel and helps more beginners to discover their tools. If you have any question about the setup, or if you get stuck anywhere, put it in comment box. I will surely reply. I'm there on different social media. I have given all my social media link in description box. You can join me. You can join my Telegram channel for free PDF and notes. I'm having Instagram also, and my website is also there. You can explore notes on my website also. I have another channel, Code with Sunita, in Hindi. Certainly, you can subscribe and visit that channel also. And guys, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.